The process of preparation for developing the team's model and prototype started when we chose Eastern Europe. We analyzed and researched about some of the countries from this region and decided to focus on Romania. One of the team members have contacts in the country which help us to identify a problem. We had the opportunity to discuss our solution with them and they gave us their opinion. With 19,591,381 inhabitants, Romania is the ninth most populated country in Europe. However, the population is declining. It is an issue affecting the level of economy and social construction. The decline is caused mainly by the increased level of immigration. Our goal was to create something that will retain the people at their home country. To develop a solution, we follow the convergent process model of Belz and Binder. The first step is to recognize whether it is a social or ecological problem, for which we decided was a social problem because it focuses more on the people rather than the environment. The second step is the recognition of a solution to the problem, which also offers an opportunity in the market. In Romania, there is a region called Bucovina in which they make clothes and accessories with creative and colorful designs. Our idea is to create a fashion brand called Bucovin. The factory will be in Bucovina and will employ the local people to make the designs. The fourth step is to create a three-bottom-line solution. Bucovin focuses on the people, it will pay high wages, and will give good working conditions. The fifth step is funding and forming a sustainable the designs will be handmade with ecological materials. Therefore, we will export our products to Europe and receive sales revenues. We will get subsidies from the European Union for creating rural employment. The last step is creating or entering a sustainable market. Bucovin will enter the trendy fashion market in Europe in countries like Spain, France, Italy, Germany, among others. According to the article, Product Design and Business Model Strategies for a Circular Economy, the world is now going towards a circular economy. This means zero waste. Our product fits in the category of long life model because it focuses on delivering long life product supported by design for durability. The organization of the team is crucial for the project development. We took the time to plan our project to reach the desired results. After developing the solution, we had the three main tasks: the creation of the PowerPoint, creating the sales pitch, and developing the prototype. I was in charge of the prototype, creating the brand logo, the webpage, and some designs. Even though we had different tasks, we were helping each other to have a better project. During the festival, we had our turn to present the solution to the people, and if someone was missing some points, then someone else will help. I believe it helped us that everyone has their turn to present the solution because it gave us the opportunity to talk to other people and get to answer the questions. This project helped me to develop and put into action some skills like time management, leadership, communication, and it helped me to overcome my fear to talk in public. In my opinion, the most important thing is that it made me realize if you want to be an entrepreneur and sell a product or service, it always has to solve a problem or fulfill a need. We should always look for a problem and then create a solution. Like in the webpage Lean Startup Methodology that we read for Lecture 5, it talks about how many people begin with the idea of a product they think people want it, and when they show it to the prospective customers, they fail. If I had to develop another project like this, I would have had many possible solutions and then talk to possible customers or teachers, coaches, other people to know their opinion and choose the more feasible one. What could I bring into the company's sustainability efforts? I am passionate, committed, a good leader, and I care about the environment. When working in the company, I will focus on the sustainability of the company in the long term, how to be better and improve the measures taken in the moment. I will encourage the people to apply the sustainable project and to bring new ideas for the company. I do feel prepared to work with sustainability and inclusion issues in a company because I learned that the important points to consider when creating a product or service and that it's better to focus on the problem and develop a sustainable solution rather than creating a product without knowing its purpose or if the customer will buy it. The same could be applied to a company. First, you detect a problem and then you came up with a different projects that can solve it. According to Chen, a social innovation must have a social purpose, provide a service to disadvantaged individuals or to the community. Social innovation is the development of solutions that are new to the market user or to be applied in a new way. It can be a product, service, model, process, among others. It is explicitly designed to meet recognized social needs and are more effective than the existing solutions. It empowers beneficiaries by creating new roles and relationships, developing capabilities, and a better use of resources. According to Parrish, sustainability means using human and natural resources in a way that enhances and maintains the quality of their functioning for the longest time possible. This means that sustainable venture sees people and the natural environment not only as means of generating wealth, but also as ends in their own right. The purpose of sustainable venture is to fulfill needs and solve problems. It must sustain its own activities while contributing to sustainable development of the society and the environment. From acting as a sustainable entrepreneur, I learned that it's important to pay attention to the world problems, not only to the simple and noticeable ones, but to all of them. These problems can be turned into business opportunities, but it's not easy because there is a lot of competition in the world. Big companies with a lot of resources have created solutions to some similar problems, so when looking for a solution, it's important to consider what others have done. I think it is possible to make changes in society if you're committed to it. You have to put a lot of effort to accomplish it. I learned that there are hundreds of problems in the world that we don't even know about, and you can create a really good and feasible solution. I relate the most to the individualist manager style before and after the project. I haven't changed my beliefs. Individualist manager is characterized by a higher capacity to step back from the conventional ways of thinking, and I believe there is always a way to achieve your goal without damaging the others. People and environment should not be compromised by the growing economies.